Metatrader4 winning strategy. This particular strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. You cannot use this on derived platform. It is strictly meant for Metatrader4. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. And do not forget to turn on the notification button. If you do like this particular video, do give me a thumb up. That is all I need from you. The download need for this particular indicators, all the indicators used in this particular strategy, is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. Before you take any trade at all, always make sure you check Forex Factory and check if there's no news for that particular pair you want to trade at that particular time. Make sure you stay away from any pair that has news, either 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after the news. Better still, you can stay away from any pairs that have news and trade other pairs. You can trade the cryptocurrency with this particular strategy. You can trade Bitcoins. You can trade any coin at all that you want. You can trade gold, US 30, US cash, anything you want to trade, US 100. You can trade any pairs you want to trade, any indices, and you can trade stock with this particular strategy. It is simple, and let me show you how I use this particular strategy. Once again, welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. Follow me closely as I show you how to use this particular Metatrader4 winning trading strategy for MT4. Now I have few indicators on my chart, and I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to show you the settings for all the indicators used for this particular strategy in the course of this video. Make sure you follow me closely. I have this single indicator. We have this blue line like a moving averages. It's the same indicator. What I did was to adjust the setting for all the lines so that we may have other confirmation from the same indicator with different setting. And number two, I have this indicator here, aqua color, that gave us this white arrow either for buy or for sell, and we do have this support and resistance indicator. The last indicator on the chart is this RSI indicator here. The blue line bar is for buy and the red is for sell. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy. Now that we know that we have a few forex indicators on my chart, and make sure you trade on the regulated brokers. In my video description, I drop some of the regulated forex broker. Make sure you register with any of the brokers and trade this particular strategy. Make sure you test it out on demo account. Make sure you are familiar with the strategy before you go live, and always follow money management. Now let's continue. Now, number one thing you have to look out for is this blue line, this three blue line. It must turn to blue for a buy, all the three lines. Then for a sell, all the three lines must turn to red for a sell. Then number two thing you have to look out for, you must look out for this indicator, this histogram. It must turn to red. You must see this red bar on the RSI indicator for a sell, and for a buy you must see this blue bar also before you think of taking any trade using this particular strategy. Now let us see one example. At this particular point we have all the three line turns to blue here, and we have the white arrow for a buy, and this is coming from a support zone. This is coming from a support zone, so this is a good signal for a buy. And we have another arrow here bounce off from the three moving line here for a buy. This is another point also to take a trade. And when you check at this indicator, it shows the trend. The trend is up by 88%, down by 12%. So the up trend is strong, and that's why you see up strong. So it is advisable that you only take a buy trade when using this particular strategy. When you see all the indicators in agreement, then you can place your trade, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low for a buy. This is the previous low before this signal was generated, just few pips below it. And for a sell, I'm going to show you where to put your stop loss also when using this particular indicator. You can use this particular strategy on any time frame you want. Now let me check on the 5 minutes. Here is it on 5 minutes. The same strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want. It's the same rule. And yet on 1 hour time frame, here is another sell signal that is generated at this particular point. We have all the three lines turned to red at this particular point. We have the white arrow, then follow by this RSI bar that turned to red. So this is a good sell, and the stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high. And this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. You can. Here is it on 1 minute also. We have a sell signal generated here and the arrow, and when you check the RSI bar, we have a confirmation also for a sell, and here we have a buy signal generated here also coming from this support zone. Here is another buy signal generated here, and this RSI bar confirm it at this particular point. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Now that you know how to use this particular strategy, and that you can use it on any time frame to trade any pairs, indices, either US 30, US 100, US Tech, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, any coins at all, you can use this particular strategy. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy and the settings. Now I use the ultimate trend following bar indicator. Is the same indicator that gives us this blue arrow candle, rather this blue candle for a buy and red candle for a sell, and this is just the follow. As you can see right now, we have blue and red color. That's what I use this indicator for, just for confirmation. And the three lines indicator, this three line, this blue and the red line, like moving averages, I use this ultimate trend indicator. And here the color for buy, we have the first three color blue and the last three is red. And here is where I have the values. These are the input. The period is 20, and the second one I use, I change the color remain the same, but I change the period. I use period 24 for the second one, and the third one I use period 34. So this is how I come up with this three line that look like a moving averages, just for additional confirmation before you take your trade. So it is good that you confirm your trade before you place any trade. And the last indicator on the indicator the main chart is this ultimate trend indicator also. These are the values and these are the colors. It gave us this support and resistance zone with this white arrow for buy and sell and the aqua color. But not to worry, I have dropped the template for this particular strategy so that you can use my template and have the same chart like mine. You do not have to stress yourself again. Just make sure you give me a thumb up for giving you all this for free and giving you the template. This is the last indicator on the indicator window, the RSI Histo triplet stock indicator, and these are the values. There's no need for you to change anything. Just make sure you use my template, but these are the value in case you want to set it up manually yourself. So this is all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. You can use it on any pair you want. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do that and do give me a thumb up. That is all I need from you. Do not forget to check Forex Factory before you take any trade at all, and follow money management. This strategy can be used on any pairs, either cryptocurrency, on forex pairs, bitcoins, litecoin, doji, and the rest. You can use it to trade stock also, indices inclusive also. You can use it on the US 30, you can use it on US 100, you can use it on any indices at all. Just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Practice it on regulated forex brokers. This strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. Make sure you watch the video and do not ask me the question I have answered in the course of this video. Please watch it and follow it. It is simple and it is very profitable. Make sure you use it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.